Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We have a fully finished compact 45 that's going to be shipped out very soon, and it comes with a 100-gallon tank. And just recently we decided to put multiple ports on the 60-gallon. We can do it for the 100-gallon as well, so that in case you want to come in with two wands, a dual wand system, it's all set up for that. So it can either come in this way, or it can come in from the left and the right. And if you switch this around, you decide you want your inlet to go on that side, you just switch the lid around, and that'll take care of that. So this is just really nicely set up. It's bi-directional, so what I did is originally I set it up with 3-inch couplers, and then we put a adapter on that to push from 3 to 2-inch. And the beauty of this is, like I said, you've got bi-directional. You can have it come in on this side or come in on that side and switch it around depending on the machine that you're using. So typically here it comes in on the left side, and the SE series comes in on the right side. So either way, these tanks are bi-directional. They're set up uniquely in a way that you don't have to worry about size of your blower. It'll take up to a 47 blower. If you decided you wanted a 56 or 59, we can increase the size of your return line. That's not a problem. But this 3/16 thick, heavy marine aluminum constructed tank it's just well suitable for the industry. Look at these welds. And look, the skirting around it goes deep. So it's just a very well constructed, very, very little play in it. It just fits really nice. So look us up today at truckmountstore.com 24/7. You'll love our tanks. We put a lot of pride into the quality. Again, these are 3/16. At one point they used to be 11 gauge, which was at an 1/8 inch thick, but we decided to go to the 3/16, which is even more heavier, allows us to put on top couplers that allow it not to bend or warp. Beautiful tank. 60-gallon tank, 103-gallon tank. We just build with quality. So look us up on the truckmountstore.com or call us today at 727-505-2989. I'm Pete from Blue Baron.